Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate closing processes with DocuSign. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate closing processes with DocuSign, begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your document templates. Select Templates from the menu on the left. Click on the New button to create a new template. Upload the document that needs signatures or add it from your document library. After uploading, set the recipient roles for your document. Define the order in which recipients will sign, if necessary. Add the required fields for each recipient, such as signature, date, and text fields. Save your changes and give your template a descriptive name. Now, go back to the dashboard to initiate the sending process. Select Send an envelope from the menu. Choose your newly created template from the list. Add recipients by entering their email addresses. Review the document and make any necessary adjustments. Click Send to initiate the envelope delivery. Monitor the status of the envelope from your dashboard. Once all parties have signed, the completed document will be stored in your account. Consider setting up automated reminders for recipients who have not yet signed. Review the final document for compliance and accuracy before archiving it. Using these steps, you can efficiently automate your closing processes with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.